Hey, let's do a quick review. So I've got my frontal occipital hold. Left hand is on the occiput, right hand on the wings of the sphenoid. So let's go into flexion. So the arrows are going forward towards the feet. So I'm going nice and slow. It may take you 3 to 5 seconds to get all the way to the end of the range of motion, into that barrier. On the way there, you may find like a speed bump or railroad tracks or a little shiver as you're pushing forward. Everybody's kind of different in what they got going on in that SBS movement. Then reverse of that is going to go into extension, the opposite of what these arrows are. All right, you're going to go back to flexion. You're going to go in and out of all the AKR movements. And then back to extension. Do all the AKR movements. Then you're going to go back to neutral, the beginning part. All these movements are nice and slow. Don't be in a rush. Go through rest of the movement patterns, the side bends, the torsions, the lateral strain, superior and inferior strains. Then you're going to get done. You're going to do the clearing, starting from the OM all the way around to the sagittal suture on both sides. Then you're going to do the sagittal suture. Then you're going to do the parietal lifts. All right. Then you're going to do the SI mobilization, the symphysis pubis. And then you're going to come back and you're going to span the sutures that you just cleared all the way around with the therapy localization muscle testing, right? The sagittal suture all the way around to the other side, okay? And the temporal against the parietal. All right? Sounds good? Call me with questions. I'll talk to you soon.